everybody, it's Taylor with Mojave Mist Spa coming at you from the Riviera today over here on Marina View. This is a project, we call it Lot 50 because we started it much before it was actually constructed, but this job is incredible. It's multi-levels, the house is just amazing, and you're gonna see all of that in this video. What we added was the misters. We have both under stucco misters, which are proprietary to us, as well as our polished stainless steel line on both of the barbecues, including the rooftop barbecue area. So you're gonna see here the above stucco misting line, which is all stainless steel. We have polished joints on every single nozzle port. We use all stainless steel components, and every nozzle itself is an anti-drip nozzle, so it's not getting your patio wet, as well as being on a swivel. On the house patio, you're not going to see any lines because it's our proprietary under stucco mist line. Still the same grade of stainless steel fittings throughout, but all you see are the nozzles and the swivels coming out. And if you thought that you were gonna get everything soaking wet or your windows wet, think again. This house is full of windows and they're not wet right now. If you're building a custom home in Lake Havasu City or the surrounding area, or even just adding those tweaks to your outdoor oasis, come check us out at Mojave Mist Spa and check this job out here in the Havasu Riviera.